Hello friends, I am Dr. Monica Gupta and I am going to make baked corn dish today. And for this dish what you need is some corn kernels. These are available in the market. I have taken 5 cups of corn kernel. I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper. Of course these 2 items can go as per your taste. I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper because I have taken 4 glasses of milk for the white sauce, and therefore in proportion this is how it goes. And for decoration what you need is the capsicum or green pepper florets. Now there is one optional item here, and that optional item is broccoli. It was available in the market, so I have taken about 250 grams of broccoli, cut it into small pieces, and it is almost 2 cups of broccoli that I have here. But this is optional. Moving forward to the last and the most important item, the white sauce. There is another video that I have created. In that you can see how to make this white sauce. This is ready already, and this white sauce has been made with 4 glasses of milk and 4 tablespoons of white flour. This is without ghee, butter, oil or cheese. Now what I need is it to be warm enough for me to add the corn kernels. So before adding the corn kernels, I will be adding the broccoli so that it will cook a little bit, yet it will retain its crunch. So I am adding the broccoli here first. Why? Because corn kernels are already ready, and I am going to wait for it to cook for some time, and approximately, let's say I will wait and cook it for 2 minutes. Now I am adding the corn kernels as told earlier. It has been measured with the help of a cup. So normally I take the proportion as 1 glass of milk of white sauce equal to 1 cup of corn kernels. So that is the proportion I like to keep. Of course you can add a little more extra corn kernels, it's thick enough. Now I am going to add some salt here. I am going to reduce the flame because it is already quite ready. Reduce the flame. Now I am adding the black pepper. Going to mix it up. Now I will transfer this to the baking dish. I have transferred this into a baking dish. Now what I am going to do is, in case I want to make it with cheese and bake it with cheese, I am going to sprinkle some cheese over it. You can take about 100 grams of cheese, and 100 grams of cheese will be sprinkled over this, and then you can decorate it with these capsicum florets. So green pepper florets can be used to decorate it. As you can see, I am decorating it here like this, and this will go on top of the cheese in case you are using cheese. So this is enough for me. This decoration is nice enough. If you want to bake it and use it with the help of cheese, then you sprinkle about 100 grams of cheese on top. Bake it in the oven, microwave oven, for 5 minutes, and you can put it on regular baking along with convection for the browning to take place, and then it will be ready to eat. For my family, we prefer to eat it this way, therefore I will not be baking it further. Baked corn is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching the video. Share your comments, views and suggestions, and of course if you like this video, share it with your friends as well.